Hello everyone, this is your science channel. Today I talk about ancient Egypt lost civilization. Deep in the desert, an archaeologist named Sarah stumbled upon an ancient tomb hidden beneath the sand. As she dusted off the hieroglyphics, Sarah's heart raced with excitement. She had uncovered the lost civilization of Egypt. As she explored the tomb, she discovered countless treasures. But what really caught her eye was a well-preserved papyrus scroll. The words on the scroll revealed that the Egyptians had achieved great technological advancements, including flying machines and advanced medicine. However, as Sarah delved deeper into the scroll, she discovered that the civilization was ultimately doomed by their own greed and arrogance. They had become so focused on their technological advancements that they neglected their social and environmental responsibilities. Sarah left the tomb with a heavy heart, realizing that even the most advanced civilization could fall. She knew that we must strive to balance progress with responsibility and learn from the mistakes of the past to ensure a better future.